in the whip on the strip, get the strip in my windows is tinted, let's go. My backseat ain't empty, we just left the Fendi, we getting it all over the place. This is why I need the family, this is why I need.
Morning. So I haven't vlogged in days because I was living in the moment, and then I have nothing to do, and then last time I vlog New Year's truck show. Worst experience for me. I never go back. I will never go back to my truck show down here. Hate it. I thought on my foot all long, foot not burn me. So me just coop up in the house for like a couple of days. Never in a mood to do nothing, because that just mess up my whole life, like. And let's say it's gonna kill me. So you know what? I gotta rest for a couple of days. And yes, I mean, I say, I should stay in my yard. Just because of New Year's, I said, no, I'm gonna go out. I'm gonna go out, I never didn't like it. Only thing I didn't like is fireworks. Only thing. Did my hair. My mommy friend did my hair. I'm supposed to do boho braids, but I never really bring a right curly hair. Actually, I didn't buy no curly hair, but let's bring one with the amp, and that wasn't the right one. I haven't been doing anything much. I just there. So that's why I haven't been vlogging. Days later, I can say 1 week after New Year's now. It's been years, you know, when Sunday or Monday. No, it's a couple days after. Not really a week, but I'll tell them. I got me pin today because I just got me pin yesterday, you know. I'm like, honestly, I got me pin yesterday by myself and walk on down.
What's going on?
I didn't do that. Alright, so today is the day that I'm doing my mom, working on my mom's grave. I'm going on Monday. So it's supposed to be last week, but it didn't work out. Last time I do something from Molokai, because anyhow I come down here, I never didn't do it Molokai. So something just have to be done. That's all I mean. I'll look over it, because my mother grave is not gonna feel like that. Just plain so. I'll make sure she have something on it. Oh yeah, so that's the vibe for today. Mom and patty. Oh yeah, I want to try the bun. You know what? I buy a bun and buy one patty. If you try it together, I'm gonna do it too. I'm gonna try a bun and a patty. Yeah, I want to do that today. I'm like the year I go by fast for some reason. Just today's what already? Today's what, the 6th? 7, 8, yeah, 6, because I'm going up the 8th, which is on Monday. One thing I like about braids, my fire look big. That's why I'm like with me up. You good for something?
Yo!
It's ain't good for something.
Man, behave like man. Act like man.
No, we fire with that. Weak jelly back. Skinny leg. Are you whatever that?
Skinny banging. Skinny banging.
Hard working, brother. Lazy like. Why? It's a beautiful Saturday morning. It's 10 o'clock. It looks so smooth.
The brother work. The brother good hard working on them. Who can do that? Who can do that? Do that and beat. Who can see something like that? Nobody can see something like that.
Do it and beat.
Oi!
Wake up. God, how about me? What am I? That man chew over there, so. You like it? Tastes good though?
Walk on side never.
No.
You like walk on side?
No, maybe. Yeah.
You know. Yeah, we charge it.
What's up, the phone? She treated full of apple. Oh gosh. Look at it. Yeah, me see side part. You can see what that's up. Yeah. The tree full of apple. Oh man. Come here, look on the tree. I'm asking my cousin if you know a person over there. I'm using some apple. I'm feeling also. Now look and say, I'm not sure there. I say apple. Me know the apple tree and I can see red something.
Watch her style, yeah. Free I'm in a capping on my dog, I did. Bag of money make me living now. Know the game like me, I do it from a barn. I'ma never have nothing, know the bag of my have everything dog. On the line when they hear me sing that. Oh no, no, JK, we bring that. 10 me like we can.
Oh, it tastes good. I love this. It's not like I'm afraid of something. I like this. I love the cereal one. And the other one in a... What's that one name? Oh yeah, I think that one the main drink a bag shoe. One lime one. I think maybe it tastes good.
When you everything up, I'm in bank book heavy, that's why I'm singing song. Free in the capping on my dog, I did. Bag of money make me live. I mean, know the game like me, I do it from a barn. I'm a neighbor.
Hey, seafood and food. You want to try here? Because I'm bringing that food to somewhere else. So you're the man trying to say that. We ain't do it when you part of it.
Bogey.
Okay. Oh, we found food.
Yeah. That's that.
They carry up on water.
Oh, pull it in. Pull it, tighten it up. Crack it, turn it.
Listen to me now. Ladies, you know some predators are here. When they never open their doors.
The first time I ate this together and it tastes so freaking good. But it's on TikTok all over. I remember my auntie try it and she liked it too. It tastes good. I do beef patty with a national bun. Morning, we're heading to the beach. Okay. I'm trying to figure out it must be this one or I don't know now. This is the one. It goes with the fit. You see slippers. Yeah, that's what we're going with. Sun hot though. Jesus, my forehead big. But yeah, so this is the fit. Some breakfast from Touch Road. Some liver and cabbage and sausage from last night. I live on it for today breakfast, so yeah. Remember eating last night. Well, you burn on your banana patty meat last night, so we dinner.
Like me never hear what it say. So my fling couple so in I cartridge. Yeah, me killer them no really do not talking. The whole of them ready to turn you in a past tense. Find where you live, born in your apartment. Couple things if you try we give me torment. Threaten me only trying as an artist. Both couple of them nigga them was retarded. Walk with the Jericho, me killer make it bust. Boy just forget cherry up. Everything I get perilous. How we have couple niggas go we bury. Walk with the Jericho, and where you say no. Let it go, yeah, that to make a sound. Run up and V6 pan and tool and it can't stop. I wear the weed back past that. And she taking out the piece, girl start snap. She broke it, forget a car swap. The bang dead, I wear the charger. DJ love black so the flow sing smarter. She have to jump on her in drive charter. My girl foot no dirty car, she no mix smarter. And we know it pan karma, we shot pussy. Go gang Ciara. She want fuck star, I'm a pussy now. I'm a mascara. Bang, we swap hotter than sauna. Me and me every beats and a little touch of Sasha. Call my teacher like my last name a Palmer. million girls, but enough like polo suit them and half white. If my feelings sport them, dash on a night. You a damn not hear ya. One of my dog can bear ya. Touch it, touch it, not fear ya. Black as like an eye, you go. Stiff breast, dolly just run the contact. Girl skin out the and I was in I'm a dirty gun. One if the job won't tire, girl. Your job won't feel tired so you can't speak. I fuck you want for parties. Can I see a lifestyle wreck the Sandro where you a go with car seat. Tell punks on the booty, don't call creep. Call me a daddy, call me and know you're charging. Change up my tone, pan the line and you fall feet. Done said skull, you better send in my ass fees. V6 pan it all road. A V6 pan it all. A V6 pan it all road.
This guy watching.
Oh, so when I go try. I look what she has done. Yeah, mother. Step out. Just, what were they? What were they again? St. Anne.
Pull over and let him out floor right now. Give me the fries up.
I'm not floating, are we? I'm not afraid to reach one hour. I eat dry chicken. Only.
So this is smell.
Yes. Truly. We just reached a St. Anne. Literally just reached a St. Anne. Taking 5. Cousin them. My brother.
No. You can't hold no bag. Okay, you're smart. I you say
oh, so they did? Oh, I saw him this. I'm thinking, thinking the wrong box, you know. He said dumpling. I will bring dumpling. Yo.
I'm fried dumpling to see Shani, when I fried dumpling.
Give me one of your fries.
Don't give no, make it a fried dumpling.
Yo, wait a minute.
Here's a good one.
No, sir, he's a dry man.
No.
Come on, over now.
No, TV bed no.
I'm fried dumpling juicy actually.
How are you eating fish? How are you eating strawberry?
Flower push your camera go. Watch it.
Yes, I take note to my own.
Yeah, me get no hang.
Yeah, but you just say one na ya.
You will have friend that in about.
I'm telling you, fried dumpling. Should I give him the
Food.
fried dumpling, Shani? I will do that.
I make this one.
Something wrong.
Look.
This is what
I'm not trying with the tree, brother.
Are you having tree bread? Yeah, that's it. You're creamy, you know?
That's one.
Okay. I would tell them bread. No, bread. I'm so true, yeah.
Can't do it, my own. The one yeah, I'm showing you the tango.
Cooking food.
Oh, I'm meat pie, you know?
Cooking bread I was done today.
Set up campus.
So where them do?
Oh, so you're not getting a present?
I do.
Seriously? Yes, when I eat now? Yes, when I eat all I bread for.
Well, we are in the river.
We're not big guy.
Hold back bread.
So we done back then.
Yeah?
I don't know last rice. No more.
Wait a minute.
Can't hear you, so. People like.
What girl put one dashboard?
So you have one girl.
What is it?
Come across the Ross Road. Stop the where can't come to me.
Hey boy, come over here, so. I start going with your antics. Come. Oi.
Police.
D'Angelo.
Huh? There's a police that you know. Oi, man.
Yo, what if I carry not come? What if I carry not come?
Not funny.
Because what if I carry not come, boy?
My life not the man of the
Hey, you know, listen. All them people call over here.
Are you on your two bird now? Yeah, bird. Half your bird.
You know, how fat am I?
Oi! Put it up. Flower!
She said nothing.
Floor and
Yes, she said nothing.
Yo,
Flower!
the floor.
Never pull.
Lock you back.
Where do you say?
Right now.
Hey, it's all done. It's
Where
done.
you done it? Where do you say? Yeah?
Flower in a drink.
I feel full
Flower.
this shake of blood shot.
Flower in a drink.
Flower. Yo, where's Jose?
Yeah, what are you doing? Well, on the crib.
Yo, no tree, I try why I get king treatment.
Nothing water.
Can you're pregnant?
I feel one.
Can who impregnated?
Day and day.
Baby father, like you don't want to pick it.
No, it's right now. I have to bread for two in my breed.
My breed? Well,
Yeah, man. No, Chase I breed already, cause Chase come over. Chase, you see me when you come up? Chase come over Florida with KFC. Go up, watch it now.
That's right.
Me and food, then me and back bread again. Then me and here, so buy bread again. Chase I breed. And just eat the bread out. Yo, come, no, y'all be calling that.
You know, so we have tea, man.
It's on, yeah.
Nasty man.
You can't stay there. I bet you take one picture and say, watch it now. We are home behind. Alright, Chase. No, you can't go so. Dance and tight.
You can't know about them, they can.
I can't start to back.
Come in through just one time.
Right.
Can I consider about the key and see how much gas you have? Like,
Care what water, man.
You see what we got?
Granny can't stop me from the say it's man. And the patrol man then gone. The mechanic out of the way. You can't come over, you can't go down the bread. Give them the shrimps. No, I so we have got time till when?
Alright, man. Start up again, Kenra.
Start with chicken rice and don't know water either.
Eat it up. No, okay. Wait, eat what? Which one? Eat it up, man. Which one?
You over it?
Chicken rice, boy,
Don't you worry about it.
Early beach, where the girl beach? Ah, yeah. I should be at Bala. Ah, yeah. Hey? Oi. Oi. I'm uncle place, so we can go in free. I'm your uncle man, so we can go in free.
Alright, can I say oh, we go there?
We can go in free.
See, I did I go to see all of this there? Red Bull go preach
Alright, ready? Cheat ya. Oh, I'll go to say, I'm your uncle place, and we'll let me.
When we are come back, Jack we have, are you come back home?
I'll let you know. Tell the security. Last already. No, I'm not going to do I just come on, Mick. I run from around for green card. You want that green card up here, boy? Yeah. We have to wait to see how better. What is it?
Chinese. I want a couple. Fontana? Where's the Fontana there?
You want Starbucks?
I'm going to Fontana. Or Fontana?
Yeah, did it.
10 works in my second queue, you know, let me
I feel good, this
let me then
I wonder.
Oh, what is it? Oh, see that?
Sakura stuff.
Oh, we don't want it.
Me always set no people vlog.
Blessings all for my life and my thank God for the journey, the earnings and just for the plus. Yeah, gratitude is a must. Yeah, so blessings fall by my right hand. Cause I do us with the friends that take off me road one
Find out.
Yeah, we'll find out them down.
We are the raft guy, you see?
Alright.
Raft them down there, see? Hello. And a rapper, mama, yeah? That's raft guy. Yeah.
Ahora ya puto está ahí. Órale. ¿Eh? Oh. Está chido. Ahora get in there from. Eh? How get in there? Who get in there?
How you see it on Instagram?
No, me just after who give. How?
Quick. Oh, water.
Oh God. Who are you? You're sick. Oh, you can't stand up for long?
Hold on.
See how well? I don't know, weak man on the face on the yam. Oh, now you know yam. You eat a yam, boy. You eat a yam. That's what I'm making do it. This is a say. It's like a alcohol. Like a alcohol, like mommy. You want to have boom flick in that water. I ain't gone. That's a big swimmer. Ew, I'm not joker. What do they want? Okay, I run. This is funny.
You take that on camera. Yo, this is
Oh, hang on. Hey, boy. I don't know.
Put it to me. Yeah, that's
I don't know. I have Aki in my pocket, but I have Aki already. I'm trying to see if I should get a taste. I don't know what to do with people. I got this. I never need to taste now. I was there. How much is this? Yeah, how much?
325.
Oh. I spoke to my Grace Curry, you know, because I can tell must buy.
Yeah, I think Jamaica might have it.
How much is this one?
535.
No, I'm going to go back to my Grace. You know.
Next door right here.
Yeah, just get check.
Yeah, just
the original you want.
Take this one. Oh, they have it in a bucket too. So what difference? How much is this one? But I'm not going to my Grace. I'm going to my Grace people. I'm going to my Grace. I don't have no curry, man. I have curry already. This cheese, I don't have a single cheese. I didn't get me single cheese. Okay. So I have the juicy beef one. So juicy beef one. This one I taste. Sorry. This one I taste. I get the jerk one, but I never tasted the jerk one before. So hopefully it tastes good. Because I have some for eat though. So I'm going to go downstairs. Out of here, Jamaica. Nothing until next year. Yeah. I'm not gonna get no souvenirs this time because I don't have no money. I'm not spending all my money right now. The airport, you know. The airport expensive for no freaking reason at all. Now what would Island Guilty would offer? And then go downstairs. I got to say chicken. I don't know what to eat. One name just knock. And then I want pineapple leche. I might try this. I'm not hungry. Yeah, wait.
No.
4 hours later.
I'm so bad. Only got one bag. So let's wrap it up. I have to go so get sorry like that. It's crazy. Got my patty and a gift for somebody.
Thing money can buy love, you better go buy Dubai.